Hi, I'm Maggie Schaffer, and here's another quick tip on how to use Microsoft tools to maximize student output in your classroom. Let's hop on a Microsoft Teams call, and I'll show you how. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite features in Microsoft Teams, the shared whiteboard. I've started using this whiteboard as a way to generate a student-created mind map of the lecture. So from the Microsoft Teams window, I can select Share Content, and then select Microsoft Whiteboard. It'll pop right up on the settings menu. I will select other participants can edit. And instead of writing lecture notes, the students make it themselves. This is a finished product, but if I were going to create a new whiteboard, the students' avatars would pop up as they type, so I can make sure that everyone is participating. After everyone gives their input, they can embellish them with shapes and colors, and I can write feedback. Then the absolute best part is that at the end, again, select Settings menu and select Export Image. This puts it in my downloads folder. You can see right there, it's already downloaded. And then I can post this picture on the Microsoft Teams Files button, and students can access it anytime they want. I have found this to be so helpful in improving student retention and maximizing their output. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please check out our Twitter handles and let us know if these tips have worked for you in your classroom.